How to get back your archived photos on Instagram. All right, so follow these simple steps. 1. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. 2. Go to your profile by tapping your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. 3. Access the menu. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. 4. Select Archive. From the menu, tap on Archive. This will take you to a section where you can view all your archived content. 5. Choose Posts Archive. At the top, you may see options like Stories Archive or Posts Archive. Tap on Posts Archive to view photos you've archived. 6. Find the photo. Scroll through your archived posts until you find the photo you want to restore. 7. Unarchive the photo. Tap on the photo, then select the three dots in the top right corner and choose Show on Profile. This will restore the photo back to your main feed. Remember, archiving a photo hides it from your profile without deleting it, so all likes and comments remain intact when you unarchive it. Enjoy managing your Instagram content. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.